One of the biggest challenges facing video surveillance is correctly displaying a scene with very wide dynamic range. Examples include looking outside from an underground parking garage, loading docks, building front entrances, and any environment where there is a very high contrast. Sony's ViewDR technology expands the dynamic range of the camera to enable viewing of these scenes without losing any picture detail. How does ViewDR work? Let's take a look. ViewDR takes advantage of the unique abilities of Sony's new Exmor CMOS image sensor. ViewDR is a three-part process. The first part uses Sony's full capture YD technology. For our 720p ViewDR-enabled cameras, this entails capturing the image 4 times with 4 progressively faster shutter speeds within the 1/30th of a second acquisition time of the sensor. The low shutter speeds expose the dark parts of the image correctly. The higher speeds compensate for bright areas in the picture. The second part of ViewDR utilizes the high speed of the Exmor sensor, enabling the clocking out and combining of the 4 image samples through Sony's ViewDR dedicated algorithm. The third part of ViewDR is the visibility enhancer process. This is performed after the image data has been clocked out of the sensor in Sony's custom DSP chip. Visibility enhancer is basically a variable tone curve applied to the image on a pixel-by-pixel basis. Correction is applied dynamically to the image to raise or lower contrast as needed. Visibility enhancer is also available as a separate feature in our SNC-RS and SNC-RH PTZ camera series. Let's see how good ViewDR really is. I will point this very bright LED flashlight into the lens of a non-wide dynamic enabled camera. You can see there is flaring and the image behind the flashlight is not viewable. Now let's try doing this with Sony's SNC-CH140 ViewDR enabled camera. You can actually see the individual LEDs on the flashlight and the scene behind the flashlight is visible. Sony's ViewDR technology is the perfect solution for any high contrast scenes typically found in banks, airports, municipalities, and parking lots.